Wilson, going east from Damon. This is my car. So the snowdrift is about 5 feet. I'm at the driver's side. It's weird. The other side is completely covered. So that porch is usually about 4 feet off the ground. Look at that, the snow just drifts right up onto the hood of the VW. Yeah, I guess this is a legitimate blizzard. Coming up on my apartment building now. The wind's picking up. It's actually about 19 degrees, 20 degrees. So it's supposed to get colder. Some other people out taking pictures. Hey. Hey. There's an apartment building. I'll head up in there in a bit. You can see closer. It was really blowing last night. There was actually thunder too, which is weird in the snow. So this is Wilson that we're on. Here's a side street, which obviously I haven't gotten to yet. I'll show you in just a second. I'm actually in the middle of the intersection right now. So here is Winchester. I mean, you might consider shuffling a car here out. It'd be a pain in the ass, but you could do it. If you're over here, there's no chance. You're gonna be stuck for a while. So, head back towards the apartment. Look at this guy on skis here. Maintenance guys, they actually shoveled our walks so we can actually walk around the apartment area. So this is how high the snow is. Let's see if this I can get a good angle. I'm basically standing on the cement now, so that came up to my knees, and then this mound here is actually up to past my hip, almost to my chest, right here. Let's walk down this street. Why not? This couple up ahead of me, they were just arguing because I think they were thinking they were going to dig their car out, and they're not. Wow. Yep, it's just completely buried. It's past the hubcaps. pretty though and quiet. Just very quiet. I think this hospital across the street helps funnel the wind. Sometimes it gets really windy out here. Okay, so here's where they shoveled the sidewalk for my apartment building. Yeah, you can really see how high it is there, huh? That's the back hatch of a car. There's a bike. Just a basket. I have to come back and take some stills of this. It's funny the way the wind works. Over here it's so high, but across the street there's almost no accumulation. Just because the wind blows north, it blows everything to the north side of the street. Yeah. Wow, that's yeah, 2.5, almost 3 feet right there. Okay, so this is my apartment building. Obviously they've dug out the front. Hey. Here's the doorway to my place. Snow is up to right here. It's almost my shoulder, my elbow at least. I don't know if I can give you some perspective on this. Check this out. I'm just lowering the camera down to the ground here. How about that, huh? That's some snow. Alright, well, here's my window. So, here's the view from my front door. I'm gonna go take some still shots now. So, that's Blizzard 2011 from Chicago.